Guys, we got a special one in today. It's a good friend of mine. His name is Assad. He owns International Motors here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hit him up if you want to buy this car. It's a 2020 Supra. Really beautiful car. It's only got 14,000 miles. We're going to start doing a collaboration, me and him. He's going to get us all these exotic cars that he buys. We'll showcase the exhaust on them for you guys. And if you guys are interested in buying them, you hit them up at this number at 615-712-8985. There's his website and everything. So here it is. So it's got a full TOMEII 3-inch exhaust system, as you guys can see. And it's got a cat delete. So you guys are gonna have to put a cat back on it if you have emissions. We didn't do this system, it came with it. As you guys can see all the way back. I'll get you guys the link for the system. 3-inch system all the way back, and this is the TOMEII Extreme TI kit. Single outlet right there. It's got a tune on it, it's got a bunch of other things on it. If you guys are interested in this car, just give him a call. I gave you guys the number, here it is again. 615-712-8985. Ask for Assad. It's a really beautiful car. A lot of aftermarket stuff has been done to this car. It's only got 14,000 miles, right? Yeah, 14,000 miles on this beautiful car. And he's got a lot of other exotics, so check out his website. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you guys think about this idea of getting more exotic cars in for you guys. Let it idle for a second. Give it gas. As you guys can see, it's a beast. He doesn't, I don't know what the tune is on it and everything, but it doesn't sound like your average Supra. Again, there's sound decibels. Right at 120. Just a sick car, man. If you guys are interested, hit him up. Power, man. Wow. Again? It's got carbon fiber accents here. Here it is. Got the front lip. Here it is. One more. Toyota Supra. Speed, be smooth. Hit them up, guys, if you want it.